Okay guys, we're here at 5 Park Avenue in Capel Sound. I've had over 30 people come and inspect it already. A third of those have taken documents. If you haven't had a chance to come and see it, we're going to take you through for a quick look now. Now it's an awesome sized block, over 740 square metres, and it's 100 metres from the beach. It does not get any better than this. So we've got ourselves a cute little house on a great block near the beach. It doesn't get any better than this in Capel Sound. If you're interested in having a look, give us a call.